Summer is here, and it's the busiest time of the year for moving. If you're planning a long-distance move with MiniMoves, we've got some tips to help you make the transition as smooth as possible. Tip number 1. Start packing early. Begin with non-essential items and label your boxes clearly. This will save you time and reduce stress on moving day. Tip number 2. Declutter before you pack. Donate or sell items you no longer need. Less stuff means less to pack and move, and you can start fresh in your new home. Tip number 3. Hire professionals. MiniMoves offers expert packing and moving services to ensure your belongings are handled with care, giving you peace of mind. Tip number 4. Schedule early. Summer is peak moving season, so book your move as soon as possible to secure your preferred dates. Make sure to make a detailed timeline. Tip number 5. Pack an essentials box. Include items you'll need right away, like toiletries, a change of clothes, and important documents. Keep this box with you during the move. Moving doesn't have to be stressful. With MiniMoves, you can enjoy a seamless transition to your new home. Contact us today to get started on your summer move.